Welcome to Hands of Midas AMA. Hosted today by the Gold Team and our main CEO Dareius.
Okay, welcome to Hand of Midas AMA. Here we have myself, Dareius, and the Gold Team, John and Joe. For today, we have some updates and announcements to make. Firstly, our staking dapp is up. So Things has finally done up our staking dapp. You all can see it that we pin it in the Telegram chat. So it's very easy to use actually. So if you haven't used it yet, just go into the link that I'm going to send it again right now. There you go. So yes, all you have to do Right, so someone says that they can't hear me. Probably, can you all hear me? If you all can hear me, just type in the Telegram chat. That would be very helpful. Okay, awesome. So it's just one person. All right, yeah. So as I was saying, I just sent in the link. So if you click in the link and then you scroll down, you'll be able to find the Midas staking. So once you scroll down, you can just click enable. So after enable, when you click on staking, it will show how many tokens you want to stake. And you just click on the stake. And automatically, yep, it's being staked. So right now, I can see here the APY currently is about 154%. And the total stake is about 12.6%. That is 12.6 million tokens at a value of $17,247. Yeah. So maybe I'll repeat our staking again. So to qualify for the USDC rewards, which basically they are coming from the AI bots trading, and not only that, the other revenues whereby we white label it to other projects that will be using our bot to help them to earn profits, and also to individuals who wants to copy trade us. You'll be able to earn 20% of the net profits. So as you can see, when you stake your tokens, not only you earn tokens, but after 5 months, continuous staking per month, you'll be able to earn USDC automatically sent to your wallet. So that's like a double earnings from there. You not only earn from the tokens, but you also earned from the USDC treasury. So that is the staking part. So right now, so I've covered on the staking and also how to stake. And okay, there's also a 50% penalty if you unstake it early, but not to worry. If you stake it after 24 days, you can unstake it anytime. But why would you? Because you'll be able to earn not only more tokens, like I said, but you'll be able to earn USDC as well. This is like, you don't even need to worry about the market cap. You just let your tokens sleep there while you see your wallet earning USDC monthly. A strong passive income in there. So right now, I think I covered mostly on the staking side. Why not Joseph and John? Can you all explain on the current performance of the Gold bots? Yeah, please take over. Thank you.
Okay, hi guys. Yeah, thanks Dareius for sharing about the staking and stuff. Okay, so just some updates from our Gold team. Okay, as you can see, the past week, not much news. So the bot was able to, perform, better, and without restrictions in terms of news, right? As we tend to avoid all those high impact news. Okay, so right now I'm pleased to announce that our 2.1, our 2.1 bot, okay, a conservative bot, right? It's giving 13% returns, all right, over 2 weeks, okay, 2 weeks or so. But don't forget, weekends are not counted because weekends there's no trading, right? So it's going according to plan. Okay, we are being conservative. That's a conservative account, and our other account, which is the Prism bot. Okay, we actually made some adjustments to that bot. Okay, we fixed some bugs and improved on it. So we actually rolling out a new bot called Vision bot. Okay, so the Prism bot will be replaced with the Vision bot. All right, with some improvements. Okay, so that it can perform even better. All right, and as you can see now, the Vision bot, right, is giving 22%. Okay, and it started actually even later than the 2.1. It started on 19th December, right? So giving 22%. So I hope everybody is happy with that result so far. Okay, and we aim to do even better with everybody's help here. Okay, so I think I mentioned in the group chat earlier that actually, right, the results that you see right now, the 13% and the 22%, that part of it, right, is just based on the performance of the bot. It actually hasn't even factored in compounding yet, right? Why I say so is because, right, for compounding to happen, okay, it only can take place, when the bot has a capital, okay, when the account has a capital of $4,000, okay, every $2,000, right, there will be one round of compounding. So at 2,000, right, the minimum is 2,000. So for compounding to happen, right, it's still not sufficient. You need at least 4,000. Every 2,000 interval, okay, you have some kind of compounding effect added to it. Okay, for it to have even more compounding, have some kick-ass compounding happening, right, you need at least a 10K account. Okay, so the results that you see, right, even though it's good and and performing beyond market expectations, okay, but that hasn't even factored in the compounding part yet. So that's the exciting thing. All right, so if so once the account reaches 4K, okay, we can actually see some compounding happening, and then the results will be even better. Okay, just to let you guys know about that. All right, so so tomorrow is one more day of trading. Okay, we'll keep up the monitoring of the bot, and and then next week is New Year, so not much trading at the start. Maybe subsequently, I don't see any news that's happening next week as well. So it should be business as usual. The bot should be performing, smoothly. All right. Any questions, guys?
Awesome. Thanks a lot, John. I guess I saw Daffy mention that we have a secret announcement that we're going to share and all. So yeah, I actually shared with him some materials that we have already planned with a marketing firm, and I'm going to send in some pictures for you all to guess on what we're going to do when New Year starts. I mean, New Year period is when crypto becomes a bit quiet, the volume is down, right? So we will do it around after the 3rd. That is when our crypto period picks up, the market. And I'm going to send you 3 pictures and just leave it there for you all to guess. And of course, after New Year, when 2023 starts, that's when we'll actually reveal most of the things out. So let me send these 3 pictures now. Okay. So yeah, I've just sent it. Please take a look. This will be something big that we're going to do in 2023. And also we've been in talks with different YouTube influencers and Twitter influencers as well. We're not only doing that because we're gearing up for our pushing our white label to projects, and also opening the copy trading for individuals. In fact, it's easy for us to open that. We are just adjusting it for the crypto side to onboard as well, so that we can push everything out. And this is where everyone can play a part by staking their tokens, so that people, the new investors can see that once you are really vested in this project, they won't be afraid of like a pump and dump. But look at now the current status. Like I said, I'll repeat myself. We have only just launched the staking dapp, I think 10 hours ago or so, and currently we are at 12.6% being staked. I believe that this will go up further, definitely, because all the pump and dump people have left. So all these people right now definitely wants the USDC rewards. So yeah, so much more to announce later. We'll keep you all in suspense for now and fill in more details in the upcoming AMAs. So now I think we'll just open the floor to everyone who wants to, or who has any questions. Please raise your hands and we'll unmute you we'll leave the floor for about 5 minutes. So yeah, let's go. Yes, Nathan, go ahead.
Hey, I was just wondering, I'm sure you've sent it before, but I think I've lost it. If you had the MyFX book link set up with the bot.
Oh, you know what? I made it easier. You can go to our website and it's right at the top. It says AI Gold bot links. You can just click on that and it shows both of the links.
Thank you.
No worries. Any other questions from the floor? So Young and Broke has a question. When will copy trade be live for bot? I mean, I've discussed with the Gold team. We'll be getting it live real quick, probably within 1-2 weeks, because we're seeing on whether we need any requirements to use the bot or just to open up to the public. But let's see on how this should be done, because don't forget, when we open copy trading, a percentage will be given to the stakers as well. So yeah, we're in discussion on this, but definitely we'll be able to open this as fast as possible. Hope that answers your question. Awesome. Anyone else?
Hey, I had one more question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Could I hire you out for like private calls? Because your voice is really sexy, man.
Come on, Nathan. Keep that private. Okay, we have another question. Young Broke said, can you go over the staking penalty again and timeline lock for stakers? So, okay, the penalty right now is being set at 50%, 50%. I know that it's kind of high, but we don't want any cheats, right? We want people who really want to stake and in it for the long run. I mean, the staking is 24 days, and after that, you cannot stake. But like I said, if you hold it for like 5 months and after, you'll be able to earn the USDC rewards in concurrently together with you earning tokens as well. So does that answer your question, Young Brook? Awesome. Anyone else?
Hey, Dareius.
Yes.
Can you hear me? Can I make some comments since there's no one asking questions?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead, Joe.
Yes, hi everyone. Yeah, so might as well do a verbal update on the bots today. Results today, bot 1, the returns are 2.06%, which is very good, of course. This is steady and consistent. And after that, bot number 2 is 1.42%, slightly lower than usual, surprising, but you know, these kind of things we can't foresee immediately and you know for sure, but more or less it's good and steady. Things are going well, and as John mentioned earlier, the best results will be if our account is big. For example, if there is an account with 10,000, that is related to the lot size, whereby every day when we earn profits, that's added onto the principal. And as the principal increases, the lot size that is the bot trades should increase as well. But because our account is small, once our principal increases, the lot size does not increase at the same time. That is why we are not making full use of the bot, the advantages and the compounding. If we had a larger capital, the returns will be higher, definitely. Just to update everyone. Thank you.
Thanks, Joe. So I guess what Joe basically means that right now, because we are starting at a lower cap because of our volume, right, that the tax has churned up. So what we need to do now is to really spread and be active, create more volume in the chart, get more buys in as well, so that we'll have more text to put into the AI bot to start to trade for us. I mean, at the side as well, I've seen there's many interest in using our bot to copy trade. As an individual, if you really want to get the optimum results, it's best to stake minimum 10,000 USD. This is what Joe is trying to say. So yeah, keep in mind, if let's say you want to copy trade and use the fullest of it, the minimum to trade is 10,000 USD. Yeah. Okay. Experiment has a question. Will we be able to unstake part of the tokens and sell if we keep 1%? Yes, definitely. I mean, the most important thing is that to keep 1% in is the minimum to earn the USDC rewards. But take note that you have to stake for minimum 24 days. Because after 24 days, then you won't have the penalty. So take note on that. Every time you want to stake your tokens. I hope that answers your question, Experiment. Oh yes, definitely. You just need to keep 1% inside to earn 1 share. So have you seen the flow chart? So we did up the flow chart. You can take a look. It says that for 1% is equals to 1 share. So you have 2%, that's equals to 2 share among the whole pie of holders that holds 1%. Hope that clarifies. Okay, Midas Touch has a question. What percentage of tax goes to bot and how much goes to marketing, if you don't mind me asking? So initially, we had 4% that goes to the bot and 4% that goes to marketing and development. So in and there, for the tax that goes to the bot right now, there's about 4069 in total. We use some and also with the marketing to pay for our marketing campaigns and also for the development work, like you see for the dapp and all. Yeah, but in future, if let's say if our market cap increases, right, and our bot is so fat that we don't really need to feed it anymore, then we will lower the tax as well and push it more on marketing and our development. Hope that answers your question. Awesome, no worries. Anyone else has any questions? Yeah, if you are shy to speak up and all, you can just type in the Telegram and I will read it out and we'll answer your question as best as we can. Thank you.
Youngbrook was saying that he has 10K that he wants to put into the bot. So so good, very good that you have so much faith in the bot. Thank you very much. Just to let you know that we have 3 settings available. The conservative, which is the 2.1. Vision, that will be actually moderate, right? In fact, in future we might be rolling out a more aggressive one. All right, but of course when it comes to more aggressive, higher risk as well. So you may want to consider to allocate your portfolio accordingly. Maybe aggressive, maybe 10-20%, and moderate maybe 30%, and maybe 50% into the conservative. Yeah, so I would strongly advise a proper fund allocation. Yep.
So speaking about this copy trade, I think I've received about 8 to 10 people asking about opening the copy trade already, which I think that they are pretty satisfied with the Goldbot trading results and all. So yeah, we're excited to share this with everyone. Those that have been with us since day one also, definitely you'll be able to use the bot. But for now, because we want to make sure everything is launched perfectly, so yeah, do expect that to be launched, and yeah, sit tight and we'll definitely launch it. Okay, so Midas Touch is asking, so the best results will be for those that stake for 5 months plus. Yes, definitely, because you'll be able to earn USDC rewards from the treasury, and the treasury profits are coming from 3 things at the moment. Right now, number 1 is the gold bot trading right now, which you see the 2 AI bots. We will be adding more when tech churns more as well. Secondly, white labeling to the projects as SaaS. That will churn us profits also as well. The third would be, of course, what you all asked for, the copy trading for individuals. So yeah, we are looking forward to all of this as our bot performs tremendously. Okay, when the third bot starts, we'll be set to conservative or aggressive. This really depends, because we need to see how much tax money has been churned, right? And then we'll decide from there. And we'll let the gold team to decide as well, since they're the experts here. Oh, John said aggressive. Okay.
Oh, guys, I'm sorry. I was a little bit busy, but I wanted to join this conversation since I'm extremely excited of the progresses of this project in general, Really, really happy today of what we are announcing with Dareius about those incredible billboards, which are going to be done for the next year. But the most, nice thing about this project in general, because I'm also an investor, I'm not only helping. First of all, I'm an investor. Is that the growth has been constant and quite slow in the right way, because we are trying to create something that is going to stay, And this team from Singapore, they are great, great traders, and all the results they're shown, and this is incredible. I'm really happy of this project, and there are so many surprises and new things that are going to be happening in the future, but it will take a little bit of time, of course. But most important thing, if I have to compare this project to any other project right now around, is that the growth is just incredible and steady and, you know, slow and real, and people is just enjoying those rewards. And what's great is that everyone is going to earn, and, you know, everyone is going to be happy about this. Anyways, I'm really super happy of it's end of the year. And guys, as I was telling in the chat, you know, the entire project depends on us, but it depends also on you guys. So if you can contribute by, you know, calling your buddies, your friends, family, whoever you want, you know, to join our journey and to start earning within our boats, it would be really great, you know, because the team can do a lot of things, but also for a project, in order to be great, the community has to do their own part. So that's why I'm trying to push everyone here, even if you are a few people right now. I remember in the past when I had previous projects, I always saw, you know, the AMAs getting bigger and bigger and bigger and so on, you know, so it's just a matter of time. I talk a lot with Dareius and the Gold team, and, you know, I'm trying to study the right way, right strategy to perform marketing, and not to waste money, and to try to get the attention out there, you know, because this is what we know we need right now. It's just about attention. And the attention, we're gonna get it slowly, slow, but it's gonna come, and the results are already coming, because as you can see, those last 3 days we have been growing quite fast, and at the same time, you know, we grow because we deliver. That's the most important thing, because when you grow only because you just pump the information, then it's not really a real thing, you know. You have to have the concrete stuff as well. And you know, with these things taking up and both performing that way and giving these results, we definitely are on the right road. Now the only thing we have to do is to continue and keep doing the right marketing, getting a little bit more time to choose which are the people that can give more visibility to the entire project. And this is what we are doing right now at the moment. You know, I'm discussing a lot with Dareius and the Gold team, because we try to select for the best marketing opportunities right now. And we don't want to rush. We don't need to rush. We have a product that works. And so the only thing we need to do is just to make the right choices. And once we've done the right choice, we just continue to grow. And that's what we're looking for right now. Yeah, so that's it. That's all I wanted to say. I don't want to add more things, but I think everyone got the message. And yeah, so let's keep trading and let's keep going. And yes, Hands of Midas is going to be really big.
Thanks for your kind words, Daffy. Yeah, I mean, Daffy has been speaking with me at the background. He's been advising as well on the marketing, which are the better ones, because it's better to work with experienced people than being a greenhorn, right? Anyway, to answer Goat's question, what do you reckon the result of bot will be in 6 months? Probably the Goat team want to answer this, John or Joe?
So yeah, in 6 months, wow, you know, there's a lot of the return is going to be quite insane, to be honest, especially with compounding involved. I won't be surprised that let's say your account would actually grow to 3 or 4 times at least. Okay, but okay, when it comes to investing, right, I would strongly suggest, you know, to secure your capital first, right? Of course, you know, unless this is money that you know, when it comes to investing, right, it's always money that you have excess money, right? You know, not money that you need to survive on a day to day, right? You know, so I would suggest you to anybody, right, who wants to invest or copy trade us, to at least take out their capital first. Okay, but if capital is not important to you, then you just want to let the bot, you know, exercise at its full potential. All right, then I think, you know, in 6 months your account should be at least 3 times. I would say three times. All right, conservatively. Yep. So yep, but just be prudent, yeah. Just to let you know.
Yes, guys. I think John's forecast of around 3 times, I think is quite conservative. I think we have some proof as well that previously we had a trial for accounts that rose about 300% in 3 months. So I can imagine if it's 6 months, right, it might be even higher than that. But of course, we sometimes like to be conservative. But I would say that maybe I would say between 3 to 6 times maybe.
Okay, so good. To answer your question, conservative, it will be 3 times, but based on the past performance and the track record, it will be at least about 5 to 6 times. So hope that answers your question, Goat. So okay, I also did a little breakdown for your, let's say for the copy trading side for individuals, right? Maybe a total sum of $100,000 we have for copy trading. So if it goes by a 30% per month compound, the first month it will be 130,000, and on the 6th month it'll be about $482,000. So if you take this amount minus off your principal of $100,000, that will be about $382,680. So what will happen? It will be a 50-50 split. So 50 goes to the person putting in the money, and 50% to Midas side, whereby 20% of the net profit will go into the treasury to be shared. So that is approximately about $38,000. So that is just one part only. So imagine this is just $100,000 we're talking about. And right now, as you can see, Young Broke is alright to put in $10,000. So imagine how big this project will grow. We're not looking only at a treasury of $100,000. We can even look at about 500,000, 1 million, 2 million. Because don't forget, we're getting money from our tax. We're getting it from projects who wants to white label our bot. We are also getting it from the individuals as well. So there's a lot to look forward to. The treasury will definitely keep growing and growing. So yeah, so my advice is for everyone is to stake your tokens, gain more tokens, and go for the USDC rewards because it's gonna go crazy.
Everybody will have their own individual accounts. So we have a couple of brokerages that we are working with. Just to answer your question, Young Broke, you said your money, will it be pooled with others? The answer is no. You have your own individual account. All our brokerages that we work with are all more than 10 years, so they are very reputable. Okay, so some of them are UK, they have licensing in UK, some have licensing in Australia, right? So all these are legitimate brokerages. So you'll be having your own account with them during the copy trade. Okay.
Yes, correct. You'll have full control over your own account. We can't touch it at all. Yeah.
Yep, sure. I'll give you the name of one of them. And one of them is called FP Markets. So you can do some due diligence on them for now.
Okay, Midas Touch has a question. Can we open up bot donations? Yeah, definitely we can. We can definitely open that up if anyone wants to donate. Is there any more questions before we close this AMA? We're loving the questions. This is a very good AMA. Everyone is interacting, which is very good. Please feel free to ask us any questions. We're open for one or two more questions, and then we'll close the floor. Yes, we could definitely get this third bot running. No problem on that. But yeah, like I said, we need to have more volume for the text to build up and for us to transfer into the bot. But yeah, we can open up the donations if the community wants to. No problem about that. All right. If there's no more questions, we'll close the floor. If you have any other questions, you can just post it in the TG, and we'll answer it shortly. Thank you very much. Thanks, guys. We'll upload this AMA in our YouTube as well. Please tune in for more and stay tuned for more AMA updates. Thank you, guys. Take care.